one JLPT ready grammar point and 3 real sentences, and let's master it fast. In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to talk about the phrase ato de, which is a JLPT N4 level phrase. It means after something. So the grammar structure we're going to talk about are verb, the ta version or ta form of the verb or noun, no plus ato de. So the meaning is after something, when one action or state happens after another, or in English, it's after doing something or after something. Now let's take a look at our first sentence vocabulary. Shokuji, meal. Shokuji, meal. Ato de, after. Ato de. Skoshi, a little. Skoshi, a little. Sampo, walk. Sampo, walk. And the shimasen ka, shall we? Shimasen ka, so sampo shimasen ka, shall we walk? Sampo shimasen ka, shall we walk? Okay, let's take a look at the actual sentence. Shokuji no ato de, skoshi sampo shimasen ka? So after the meal, should we go for a walk or shall we go for a walk? Hiragana is shokuji no ato de, skoshi sampo shimasen ka? So the English is, shall we take a short walk after the meal? So shokuji no ato de, that first part is after the meal. Skoshi is a little or short. Sampo shimasen ka, shall we go for a walk? So altogether, shokuji no ato de, skoshi sampo shimasen ka? Okay, let's take a look at the second sentence vocabulary. It is kusuri, medicine. Kusuri, medicine. Gohan, cooked rice, meal. Gohan, cooked meal or rice. Taberu, eat. Taberu. Nomu, drink. Nomu. Maeni, before. Maeni, before. Ato de, after. Ato de, after. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. この薬はご飯を食べる前に飲みますか? 食べた後で飲みますか? Again, using the hiragana. この薬はご飯を食べる前に飲みますか? 食べた後で飲みますか? Meaning that, do I take this medicine before eating or after eating? So この薬は, that part is this medicine. ご飯を食べる. So eating the rice or eating the meal, maeni, before, nomimasu ka, to drink it, or tabeta ato de, after eating, nomimasu ka, have it or take it. So この薬はご飯を食べる前に飲みますか? Or 食べた後で飲みますか? So do I take this medicine before or after eating? So let's take a look at the third sentence vocabulary. Miru, to watch. Miru, to watch. Ato de, after. Ato de, after. Kasu is to lend. Kasu, to lend. Watashi, me. Watashi, me. Anata, you. Anata, you. Video, video. Video, video. Video. So this is a loan word, so that's in katakana, video. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. このビデオをあなたが見た後で私にも貸してください。私にも貸してください。Hiragana now. このビデオをあなたが見た後で私にも貸してください。So English is, after you watch this video, please lend it to me. So the このビデオ part is this video. あなたが見た後で, so after you watched it, 私にも to me, 貸してください. Please lend it to me. Okay, このビデオあなたが見た後で私にも貸してください. That's it for today. Always learn more was less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.